Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best steam and scrub is probably one of the most innovative cleaning tools to hit the market. These pads combine the power of steam with the scrubbing action, offering a chemical-free solution for deep cleaning. They're designed to tackle tough messes on various floor surfaces, making them a versatile addition to any cleaning arsenal. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and benefits of these pads, helping you decide if they're the right choice for your home. Number 5. Fushing Steam Mop Pads for Shark Steam Mops. Introducing the Fushing Steam Mop Pads, designed to replace your old ones. These pads are perfect for various Shark Steam Mop models, ensuring a fresh and clean experience. These pads fit a wide range of Shark Steam pocket mops. They are compatible with models from the S3500 series to the SE400. Make sure it fits your model before purchasing. These are standard size mop pads, approximately 12.5 by 7 inches. Please note that it does not fit XL mop heads. It's important to check the size before you buy it. These microfiber pads are machine washable, reusable, and built to last. You can easily clean them and use them again and again for your daily cleaning needs. Both sides of the steam mop pads are made of microfiber for effective cleaning. They have strong water absorption and dry quickly. The sandwich mesh lining allows steam to release easily. The steamer pads work great on multiple surfaces. You can use it on carpet, hardwood, laminate, tile, wood, and other hard surfaces. It is a versatile cleaning tool. What we like. These pads are machine washable, making them reusable and cost-effective. They feature double-sided microfiber for effective cleaning on both sides. If you're looking for a versatile cleaning solution that works on various hard surfaces, you should consider these. What people say. The pads are easy to attach and detach. The steam and scrub pads are a great addition to the Shark Steam Mop. The scrubbing action is effective at removing dirt and grime. Number 4. Shark Steam Mop SK and S Series Replacement Pads. These 12.8 by 7 inch pads are designed for Shark Light and Easy Steam Mops, S1000, S3101 series, and more. They are ideal replacements for models SK140 through SK460. These floor steamer replacement pads can be washed in a sink or washing machine for multiple uses. This 4-pack offers great value, saving you money compared to disposable options. These replacement pads are compatible with parts P141 GHF, DXD100, and P148 DISP. Attachment strips keep them securely attached to your steam mop heads, making them excellent steam mop pads. The microfiber pads are gentle on floors but effectively remove dirt, dust, and stains. Whether you need a quick tidy or a deep clean, they will get the job done on various hard surfaces. These pads work with genuine cleaners, handles, carpet gliders, and accessories. Please note, they are not compatible with pocket mop head 2-sided style. What we like. These pads are designed for multiple uses, saving you money on disposable options. They are compatible with various models and ensure they stay secure on your mop head. If you like a deep clean on multiple surfaces, you should consider these. What people say. They work great. Fits perfectly on my Shark Steam Mop and half the price. Wash well and seem durable and well made. Very sturdy and fits well. Washable and effective cleaning. These are excellent. Like others have said, these are much better than what came with the Shark. A perfect fit but better quality. Number 3. Shark Steam Mop Replacement Pads. These replacement pads are designed for your Shark Steam Mop. They are easy to install and ensure a tight bond for effective cleaning. These pads are compatible with a wide range of Shark Steam pocket mops. They are the perfect size for your mop, ensuring optimal performance. The pads feature a dual-sided microfiber design for enhanced cleaning. This design makes it easier to remove stubborn stains and leaves your floor sparkling. These pads are safe for all sealed hard floors, including wood, tile, and laminate. They effectively clean without scratching or damaging your floors. To maintain peak cleaning performance, it's recommended to replace the pads every 2 to 3 months. This will extend the life of your steam mop. We offer a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with the pads, we offer a refund or replacement. What we like. These pads are designed to make cleaning easier with their effective microfiber material. They are reusable and have strong water absorption. If you're looking for a pad that effectively cleans stubborn stains, you should consider this. What people say. The pads are easy to attach and detach. The steam and scrub feature effectively cleans the floors. The product is well designed for efficient cleaning. Number 2. Turbo Microfiber Steam Mop Replacement Pads 4-pack. These microfiber pads are perfect for your steam cleaner. They are easily washable in the sink or washing machine, offering a cost-effective alternative to disposable pads. Save money with this 4-pack compared to buying individual replacement pads. It's compatible with your existing Shark mopping spray and handle, ideal for floor cleaning. Designed for use with various Shark rectangle pad parts, these replacements fit seamlessly with your steam cleaner. It's perfect for your home, steamer, and handheld steam cleaner accessories. This washable pack is the ultimate solution for deep cleaning hard floors. It lifts away stains while keeping your floors fully protected. It's a must-have for your home cleaning accessories. Enjoy great value with this 4-pack, a smart choice over smaller packs. Fully compatible with all your Shark steam mop needs, this is the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. What we like. These pads are washable and reusable, offering a cost-effective alternative to disposable refills. They are designed for use with various models. If you are looking for a cost-effective and versatile cleaning solution, you should consider these. What people say. The pads are easy to attach and detach. The steam and scrub pads work great on tile floors. The pads are washable and reusable. Number 1. Shark S7000 AMZ Steam Mop. This steam mop is tough on stains but gentle on your floors. It's designed to sanitize, removing bacteria effectively. Please refer to the owner's guide for more details. It features 2 steam modes, light for quick cleanups and normal for everyday use. You can easily switch between modes to suit your cleaning needs. The powerful steam and rotating pads provide up to 2x better stain removal compared to traditional mops. It's been tested against tough stains to ensure optimal cleaning. This mop removes 99.9% of bacteria without the need for harsh chemicals. It's a safe and effective way to keep your floors clean and sanitized. Please refer to the owner's guide for more details. The automatic scrubbing head with rotating pads delivers over 150 scrubs per minute. The pads do all the work, providing an effortless glide and a smooth cleaning experience. It's designed for all sealed hard floors, including hardwood, marble, tile, and stone. This makes it versatile for various surfaces in your home. The mop has a durable and sleek design for easy maneuverability and convenience. It's designed to make your cleaning experience as easy as possible. What we like. This mop offers powerful steam and rotating pads for superior stain removal. It also provides chemical-free sanitization. If you like a mop that provides a deep clean and sanitizes your floors, you should consider it. What people say. Great product, lightweight, easy to use. Nice thing is the extra long cord. Cleans the floors great, only steam and water. I always vacuum well first then mop. The steam component makes your floor feel ultra clean and sanitized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.